Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have simultaneous equations to solve. This actually involves logarithm. So now for me to solve this, I'm going to try to obtain linear equations. For me to get that, I'll have to take logarithm to base 10 on both sides of the equation. So doing that, this will be log. The first one will be log 10x plus 2y is equal to log 5. And you know this is log 10 because I said log 10. The base of the logarithm here is 10. So log 10. Okay, I'm excited to write it because when you take logarithm without base, it means the logarithm is in base 10. So log 10 is 1. So this is going to be x plus 2y. Remember, if you apply power law, this will cross over to this side. Log 10 is 1. 1 times this is x plus 2y is equal to, then I'll have log 5, that is all log 10, or log 5 rather. So I'll call this equation 1. So this is how I'm going to do it in order to solve simultaneously. I'll do the same in the second equation. I have log 10, I'll pick log 10 raised to the power of 3x plus 4y is equal to, I'll do the same here, log 10 raised to the power of 50 or log 50. So this is the same thing. So this is going to give me 3x plus 4y is equal to log 50. Remember I said that this is log 10, which is 1. 1 times this is 3x plus 4y. Because if you apply power law here, 3x plus 4y is going to multiply the log itself. And log 10 is 1. 1 times 3x plus 4y is 3x plus 4y. So I have here second equation, that is equation 2. Okay, now the next thing is I'm going to write out these two equations. X plus 2y is equal to log 5 and 3x plus 4y is equal to log 50. So the next thing to do is I'm going to apply elimination method before doing that. But before doing that, I'll try to make the equations of y here in the first equation to be the same with the equations of y here in order to eliminate y. But you know, I can decide to multiply this first equation by 2 because doing so, it doesn't change the value of this equation. Because if I multiply across by 2, I can still divide across by 2 and obtain this. So I would say 2 times x is going to give me 2x plus 2 times 2 is 4y is equal to 2 times log 5 is 2 log 5. It doesn't change the equation. It does not change it because if I divide across by 2, I'm going to obtain this again. So it doesn't change. What I'm trying to achieve is to have a coefficient of y that will be the same with coefficients of y in the second equation. So this is going to be 3x plus 4y is equal to log 50. So putting minus, that is to eliminate, I'm going to have, okay, subtracting this first equation from the second equation, that is going to give me 3x minus 2x is going to give me x. Then 4y minus 4y, that will be 0. Now is equal to log 50 minus log 50 minus 2. Remember that this is if you apply power law here, these two will move up to 5. That is going to be minus log 5 raised to the power of 2. And you know that 5 raised to the power of 2 is 25. So this is going to be log 50 minus log 25. Log 25. And this is division. So I'm going to apply law of, sorry, this is minus, that is subtraction. I'm going to apply law of subtraction or division in logarithm. That is the second law. So because this is in base 10, the logarithm here is in base 10, I'm going to take 1. Then and divide the powers because of this minus sign. So this is going to be 50 over 25. And this is going to be x is equal to 50 over 25 is 2. So I have here x is equal to log 2. So for me to get the value of y, so I'm going to look at the first equation, which is this is simpler than the second equation. So I'll pick the first equation, x plus 2, that's to do substitution, that is this one. Then for me to get the value of y, anywhere I see x in this first equation, I'm going to replace with log 2. So substitution. Okay, so this is going to be x is log 2 already, I got it. Log 2 plus, look at the first equation, the one I'm using, plus 2, that is, I replace x here with log 2 is equal to, plus 2y is equal to log 5. So what I'm going to do is to make y the subject of the formula. So to do that, I will collect like terms, okay? So this is going to be 2y is equal to log 5. So log 2 cross over equal sign to become minus log 2. So in this case, I would still apply the same law here. This is log 5 minus log 2. So I'll just pick the common base, which is log 10, and divide the powers again. This is 5 over 2. Okay. So now for me to get the value of y will be equal to, dividing across, that will give me half log 5 over 2. So dividing across with 2, that will give me, like, dividing this with 2. That is, let me write it here. 2y is equal to log 5 over 2. So for me to get the value of, I'm going to divide with 2. So this will cancel out this. That will give me y is equal to, this is half log 5 over 2. It's the same thing as half log 5 over 2. Half log 5 over 2. So that is where I got this half log 5 over 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to make a comment. Subscribe to this channel for more.